Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to clean a vehicle's upholstery using the Bissell Little Green. I do have other videos showing on how to do this by hand, however this compact carpet and upholstery cleaner does a great job. So this interior in my truck was clean, but unfortunately I had some takeout food that ended up leaking onto the passenger seat. This happened last year just before winter, so I wasn't able to get at this once the cold weather rolled around. Now that spring is here, I'm able to tackle this. So for this, I'm using the Bissell Little Green Pro Heat. A link will be included in the video description. This is an affordable upholstery cleaner that can be used on vehicle interiors, in your home, campers, or boats, etc. One side is filled with the clean water and cleaning formula, and the other side will be filled with the extracted dirty water. On the clean side, it does have markings to add the water and formula. This will be dependent on how much cleaner you use for your project. This is a smaller area, however I will be cleaning the whole front seat of the truck. So I went inside and filled the one side with hot water to the marked line. Next is using Bissell's spot stain cleaner. I'm sure there's other cleaners that can be used as well. Add the appropriate amount of cleaner, reference the fill line. Then clip the container back into place. Next is turning on the upholstery cleaner. This will allow you to spray and extract the solution. I went ahead and sprayed the seat down along with the formula to soak into the seat. I actually made the seats quite wet when I did this. However, with the proper ventilation, this will dry very quickly. You'll have to angle the nozzle in such a way where you don't want to spray certain areas. Once the solution is on the seat, then you can move on to scrubbing the seat with the built-in brush. You'll have to be careful how the nozzle is held so you're not removing the solution before scrubbing. You can work in different directions, ensuring all those crevices and areas of the seat are cleaned. Finally, using the suction part of the nozzle to extract the cleaner from the fabric, take your time. You can use the clear cap to see how much formula is being extracted. I typically like to extract as much as possible until I can't see too much being pulled out of the fabric. Here's a close-up so you can see that fluid being extracted through the clear plastic. To just do the front seats, this can be done in under an hour. However, I do find the formula does have a stronger smell, so it may take a bit of time for that to air out of your vehicle if you are sensitive to smells. Once done, here you can see the extracted dirty water. This can simply be dumped in a toilet. And after everything is dried up, here's a clean seat. It did take a couple hours for the interior to dry. I left the windows open a couple inches instead of leaving the doors open. I know in my previous detailing videos, some of my viewers actually had problems with neighbors' cats wandering into their vehicles and making a mess. So definitely be mindful of that if you do live in a neighborhood with wandering pets. This concludes the rest of my video. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, it's a huge help to me. And leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.